Pretty interesting crew of birds today. Start you out with the green heron. The same great blue heron that likes to keep quite a distance from people. A phoebe on the turtle sunning log. A mourning dove sitting in the morning fog. And two pictures of some kind of really young bird. I think it can fly, but because it seemed to have flown there, but it was very not at all worried about anything, including the cars going right by it. But I left it sitting. Hopefully it did okay.